How to treat dysphonia with natural remedies. For the most part, the people who use their voice excessively are the most likely to have dysphonia. There is research available indicating certain professions, such as teachers, as the group that is the most often affected. However, anyone can suffer from this condition. So, natural remedies are a must. Causes. Sometimes, dysphonia can occur for various reasons. These causes may be organic or functional. Among the organic causes, we can find nodules, polyps, laryngitis, including cases resulting from gastric reflux. The functional cases are the following: excessive or incorrect use of voice muscle tension. Although dysphonia isn't a psychological illness, stress and anxiety have a considerable effect on the condition. In fact, there are studies that show that everyday life happenings have a considerable influence on functional dysphonia. Treatments for dysphonia. The medical treatment for this condition depends on the cause. Generally, doctors order vocal rest and speech rehabilitation therapy. In some cases, a treatment may include surgery. I'd like to mention that in the case of organic dysphonia, a diagnosis and specialized treatment are necessary before trying any kind of remedy. Natural alternatives for dysphonia. Similar to any other kind of treatment, giving our vocal cords a well-deserved rest and avoiding their overuse is crucial. It's also important to drink plenty of liquids. Teas. Treating dysphonia by means of drinking teas is both effective and delicious. Remember to buy your herbs in bulk to make sure that they are free from additives. To take advantage of the benefits that this treatment has to offer, you need to take 2 cups of your choice of tea every day for a month. Afterwards, rest for 2 weeks and then repeat the dose. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of a herb of your choice, 10 grams, 1 cup of boiling water, 250 milliliters, honey, to taste. Preparation: add the herb to a teapot with boiling water. Let steep for 7 minutes. Afterwards, strain and serve in a cup. Sweeten with honey and enjoy. Among the most effective teas for treating dysphonia are the following: ginger. Ginger is a wonderful solution because of its anti-inflammatory properties. In addition, it also helps detox the body. This tea isn't only ideal for treating dysphonia, but it's also great for any other respiratory illness. Chamomile. Along with its soothing and antiseptic properties, chamomile also boasts digestive properties. Mallow and eucalyptus. The substance contained in mallow reduces irritation while eucalyptus clears out respiratory airways. Gargles. The effectiveness of gargling for treating dysphonia depends on being very careful as to not harm the throat when gargling. Thus, gargles should be gentle and calm, lasting for 2 minutes. You should use this treatment 3 times a day. The best gargling options for treating dysphonia include the following: baking soda, salt and honey. Mix 1 tablespoon of each ingredient in a glass of warm water. Lemon. We should use freshly squeezed lemon juice from 2 lemons. Salvia and plant dago. Prepare a tea with these herbs and use it for gargling. Juice. As another great option for treating dysphonia is drinking juice on a regular basis. You should aim to drink 2 glasses in the morning every day. Drinking juice is also helpful for getting more fruits and vegetables in your diet. Remember that the juice should be natural and freshly made. That way, we can avoid added sugars and maximize their curative properties. The most recommendable juices for dysphonia are: pineapple, helps revitalize the tissues in our vocal cords. Carrot, it's also useful for treating any kind of respiratory illness. Cabbage, treats throat irritation. In addition, along with the carrot juice, it helps reduce the anxiety that can worsen a dysphonia. Relaxation exercises. Regardless of the treatment that you chose, relaxation exercises are a helpful addition. You should do them for 5 minutes daily. Raise and lower your head. Move your head from side to side. Push your shoulders to the back and front. Move your arms in a circular motion. Breathing techniques. In order to strengthen this area, we can try this breathing technique. Inhale for 10 seconds. Hold your breath for another 10 seconds. Slowly exhale for another 10 seconds. You should be relaxed when you do this exercise. Repeat at least 5 times consecutively. On a final note, blowing bubbles is also a beneficial and fun way to strengthen your throat.